So today we're going to cut down this nice dead pine tree over here, memorial garden for the church, so we have to lift it up out. We're going to take a tree hole. I'm going to fly up, set the chains, and come back down, and we're going to cut it off to the ground. Crane's rated out for 15,000 right now. Guessing the tree's going to weigh about 12.5. That's going to be it. Yeah, a little bit more, but I will tell you in just a second. As soon as I get up here, I'm gonna start breaking some of these branches off and see what it looks like. Yeah, right here's good. I'm descending myself. If you want to go a little bit towards my right, so we can come down in this sort of an open pocket straight down. Yep, if you hold it right here, it's perfect. It's dead, Scott. It's like dry dead. Yeah, no, you're good right here. You can just hold what you got. Just kind of looking at what we got up here. Right here is a good spot for me to get the chains on this side of the tree and that side. But yeah, this thing is super dead. You can spool down. Yeah, right there is perfect, buddy. Brand new chains, he said. Uh-oh. Give me just a second, I'm gonna have you roll it up. Okay, you can chain up and see what that looks like. Is that got it pretty good? Okay. Let's hold fast on that, and I will descend, and then get the chainsaw running. Woo! Awesome. What's that thing weigh? 10 grand. Damn, I won. Let's go.
Green Tops was here. Diligent, courteous, and safe.